welcome to Steamina 2025. This is the first time we are doing the full-blown edition of Steamina, the STEAM Innovation Academy, which teaches students design thinking, entrepreneurship, and STEM education. We are incorporating these three elements because we believe that's what gives students the blueprint for innovation, using STEM to build technical skills that allow them to be able to invent things, but also pairing that with design thinking so that they are not just using this technical knowledge for anything random, but actually solving real human problems that will allow them to make an impact in the world.
This is teammates, and we're the first to finish our project. It was a lot of hard work, dedication, teamwork, and commitment. But then, yeah, here we are with our scooter.
So far, Steamina has been great. Steamina is really a very wonderful organization run by young people, and they seem to know what they're doing.
What Steamina is doing is about innovative program, and it's a creative one at that, and it's also particularly very experiential for the children. What they do, they lay their hand on it that infuses in them solving problems.
I'm really motivated to learn different things, robotics, tech, and all around. I'm really glad to be here.
We learned how to discover who we are, like what we want to do. He also taught us like a brainstorming space, like what can we change in our community? What can we do to fix things?
The students are very excited. Since we've been here, we do not have any dull moment. It has been fun and activities all through, exciting kids. Students are just constructing, unlike the normal secular schools where they involve in theoretical lessons. Here in Steamina, STEAM Innovation Academy, students are actually doing it, using their hands to construct machines, and they are always excited to do it. They have been involved in several activities, several tours, so we are very excited to be here.
Steamina, as we can say, is the way forward, and I highly recommend this to schools, organizations, institutions, and clubs that are working to advance new transformative technology.
Within 48 hours, they were given challenges to address, and I was amazed to see the amount of work they put into presenting their innovations to the panel.
It was really exciting to see young people, be creative, to collaborate, to come up with some really exciting solutions to some of the problems we face in our country and on the continent.
Initially, immediately they brought the test case to them. Some were like, oh, is this going to be a big deal? Some were afraid. They were wondering if they could actually achieve what they have achieved right now. But then when they came together working and then having a mindset that, yeah, I must solve this problem, it's a challenge and I must win, at the end of the day, they came out with beautiful results, and that's very, very impressive.
Honestly, creating it was stressful, but like seeing the results, it's so rewarding and so satisfying.
We've tried to make the seminar program engaging. We've tried to get the students to learn a bit about promoting themselves, a bit about building machines and so on, and trying to make it as interactive as possible.
We have trained our students in design thinking, identifying who they are, help them identifying problems that they will actually solve at the end of the program. We are taking them through an exciting discourse on infantile kit discovery. We are taking them through engineering, exploring the possibilities they, even as young ones, because they are between the ages of 10 to 70 years, how they can develop their potential, and it's been an exciting experience over here.
They were able to bring out the best in them. They even did like a 60-second pitch of the roles they admire, their role models, and qualities they would like to personify into their life.
After discovering themselves, you see that there was so much energy they were putting in, and then when we gave them tasks to accomplish, they were working together very well.
Would you employ that person? Okay, and what is it about that person that you would like?
It's been a really great experience seeing how students have grown throughout this 1 week intensive program, what they've learned, the lessons that they are taking away, and the resilience that they've actually shown throughout the entire process. It's been really amazing, and this has shown us all how innovation is actually possible with the right resources.